On App Talks, we like to wrap up by giving a piece of advice. So can you tell us a little bit about why you always tell your customers to protect their data?
Sure. To answer this question, I would like to take it from the personal angle. Let's imagine you go to some holidays and you have those nice pictures with all your family. You want to keep those pictures safe. So definitely you should think about backing it up. Well, from the corporate point of view, we should do the same. We should ensure always that the critical data, the most important data, are safe and save when you need them, because that's when you are not saving them that you need it the most. Okay, so definitely we thought Salesforce is where we have all our data saved. Our customer rely on them to keep it safe, and OwnBackup was a perfect solution to do that.
Nobody can afford losing any data, and from day one you should have your data safe and protected. You do it on personal standpoint, you should do it also from the professional angle. And we live in a regulated world with some regulatory contingencies, so you can't afford not being compliant, period. So there's no other option really. And if you're looking at protecting and backupping your data, I suppose people should look for a good solution, and why not do they check OwnBackup?
Great, so always keep your data safe, especially when you're thinking about regulation, and check out OwnBackup and Salesforce for a very comprehensive solution. Excellent. Well, thank you so much for having me here and for inviting me to Paris and to your offices. I'll be sure to back up all of my pictures from this trip. And thank you for joining us on App Talks.
Pleasure.
Thank you.